I'm your astrologer Surbhi and you're watching AstroSage TV. Let's see how September 2014 is going to be for you. But before that, you should know that these predictions are based on your moon sign. To know your moon sign, read the description below. You will find a link to moon sign calculator there. Let's begin our predictions with the first sign of the zodiac, Aries. Aries, the entire month is going to be good for you. You will welcome life with enthusiasm this month. Your mind and body will be harmonious during this time. Problems related to children or love life may get solved. However, exercise a bit of restraint in your personal life as Saturn conjoins Mars in your 8th house. Second half of the month will help you ward off all your troubles. Your fame may rise as well. There are possibilities for promotion or improvement in job. As a remedy to eliminate negative effect of planets, donate yellow clothes in Lord Vishnu's temple. Now let's come to our next zodiac sign, Taurus. Taurus, you may have to put some extra efforts to get favorable results. Also, it is possible to feel tired in first half of the month. You may have to buy or sell some domestic stuff. Things will improve in second half. Still, you need to stay cautious. There might be some stress related to buying costly gifts for your children or spouse. To get relief from stress, offer vermilion to Lord Hanuman. Now let's peep into the future of Gemini. Geminis, you will get favorable results in the first half of this month. If you are planning to buy a high-end mobile phone for long, this is the right time. You might also undertake a sojourn, which will be beneficial for you. Relationship with siblings is going to be strengthened during this month. Friends will be helpful. Time is favorable for finances. However, the second half will make you work a bit harder. Any decision should be taken after proper thinking during this time. You should avoid arguing with those who are affectionate toward you. In case of any problems, worship Goddess Durga. Let's now see what Cancer has got in store. Cancerians, beginning of the month might not be that good for you. You should pay close attention to the finances. Also, family problems might trouble you. However, the second half will eradicate your troubles. You may reap some benefits by travel. Financial matter will start to improve. Offer a red apple to Lord Hanuman in case of any trouble this month. Now we will talk about Leo. Lions, first half of the month will give you mixed results. Your sign Lord Sun will be transiting in its own sign. It will make you full of confidence. You may get some reward from government or any other organization. However, stay alert and take care of your health. Also, you should avoid anger. During second half of the month, work cautiously, especially when it comes to domestic and financial matters. Health might trouble you to some extent. Offer milk to Lord Shiva as remedy to tough times. Let's talk about Virgo now. Virgonians, I would suggest you to be cautious in everything you do during this week. Try not to do things in feverish pace. Avoid heavy traffic and traveling this month. Exercise restraint in the matters related to job or business. Try to stay away from unwanted expenditure. Also pay special attention to what you say. You will see your troubles withering away in second half of the month. Your fame will increase. You might also go on some beneficial tour during this time. However, you should take care of your own and your family's health. Be careful about what you say and avoid unnecessary expenses. Offer chola to Lord Hanuman as remedy to difficulties. Let's now see how Libra will fare. Libras, the first half of the month will reap you many benefits as Lord of 11th house is in 11th. However, conjunction of Saturn with Mars in ascendant might cause some health related issues. You may sign some beneficial contracts in this month. Increment in income is on the cards. Traveling will be beneficial, but Second half seems to be full of expenses. You should pay special attention to your health. As a remedy to the difficult situations, offer vermilion to Lord Hanuman. Let's now talk about the future of Scorpio. Scorpions, this entire month is very good for you. You will perform better in your profession in first half of the month. Influential people will lend their support and your seniors will be happy with you. Improvement in income is foreseen and some tours related to business are on the cards too. Second half of the month will bring in more benefits. You will spend good time with your loved one or spouse. However, there might be some trouble related to sleeping. Also be careful while traveling. As a remedy to tough times, offer black grams in a Shani temple. Let's now look into the future of Sagittarius. Sagittarius, beginning of the month will give mixed results. Tours are possible. If you put some efforts, these tours will be converted into success stories. Meeting those on high positions will be very beneficial. Stress related to education and children will get eradicated. However, take care of your parents, especially their health. Second half of the month is good professionally. You will get rid of financial troubles. As a remedy to any trouble, serve your father or someone like your father and take blessings. Let's now see what Capricorn has got in stock. Capricornians, whole of the month is positive from profession's point of view, but you need to be a bit cautious during first fortnight due to Sun in 8th house. If you are about to start something new, ponder over it properly before taking any decision. However, second half will provide you some respite. You may get success, finances will improve, coordinate closely with your seniors during this month. As a remedy, offer water to Sun. However, make sure to put some red flowers in this water. Now let's talk about Aquarius. Aquarius, exercise caution throughout the month. Take any professional decision after deep thinking. You might stay stressed due to your life partner or some other domestic problem. Also, some tension due to parents is also a possibility. You need to stay mentally very strong. Keep a check on what you eat. In other words, you should be very careful during this month. In case of any trouble, offer vermilion mixed water to Sun. Let's now talk about the last sign of the zodiac, Pisces. Pisces, as Sun is transiting in your 6th house, beginning of this month is very good for you. However, Saturn is conjoining with Mars in 8th house. Therefore, everything should be done with utmost care and smartness. Albeit, Sun's positive placement will help you get rid of old problems. You will succeed defeating your enemies. Success in everything you do is a strong possibility. Though, tread through second half of the month somewhat cautiously. Take care of professional things along with family and health. As a remedy, recite Bajrang Baan. So this was all I had for you this month of September. Utilize the best of these predictions by staying planned in advance. You need not get upset if any unpleasant prediction is made. Our future is always in our control. Efforts can change it easily. So carve your future by your own hands and don't get disappointed of any not so favorable prediction. Your likes and shares will boost our confidence. Subscribe to this channel to know more about your future and life. Have a great time ahead. Namaste.